Another Epic Flows production.
Yo, it's the U-Tech finale. Coming straight out of the University of Technology, JA. Representing to the world. Yeah, they're doing it this time. Hang in your seats and prepare for the ride of your life. Now I bring to you.
Hey yo, I'm epic, I don't need no mother. They say it's spending for a thought, so this give me gold. I lost summer on this, I'll explode in there. And I'm about to go home, cause I've been going hard. And I take this world with me to the GA elixir. Then back to NASA, cause a fracture when they try to fix me. My music is on steroids, rolling up the dough. I call it fried dumpling, B5-4.
I'm a giant in this game.
You know it's epic flows.
Murder is getting intoxicated right now. Coming up next, DJ Troy.
Yeah, crazy, yo. Check out my intelligence. Meanwhile, take a bullet to your head, my benevolence. Your money's paid, crippled mind move. Conveyor belts, farming in the money, swimming up and down Michael Phelps. Grow up like palm trees, wash them out. Laundry, on the knees, blown this nigga. Cool breeze, Prince Troy, nigga, I'm royal. Face off like Nicholas, no cage to be loyal, nigga.
That's how it is. So don't get it twisted because we go to college, son. Let's get it in.
My name G, up that ball till I fall. I hustle in the streets, so my money staying tall. My life in the middle of these streets. White line, haters be laying in these streets. Chalk line, this ain't school, but we puffin' on the best grade. G, so you know my niggas get laid. We stay hustling the streets so we get paid. Cause we keep our game tight, the Wayne way.
And these suckers are afraid of me. Hey yo, say yo B.
Yes sir. Yeah, young nigga flies, 1-2 metaphor. I been flipping like my doing somersaults. Heard them say I'm cocky. No, I just a lot. But it's all bills, got me looking like Mike Tyson. Ladies love me cause I got the cocoa mindset. No, speed it up. Shy bitch wanna get it in. I'm going in on the best in the deep. And swimming, but you bring me in cause I'm in between, man. So big, I'm a beast on me, don't put me.
I read beast, murder in the field. Hey yo, Drew, where you at?
Like a beast in the jungle that's ready to rumble. I'm a nightmare on your street, I can kill you when you sleep. Like my name is Freddy Krueger, scared looking mother, more lethal than Danny Glover with the 44 revolver. I'm just another nigga trying to spit a couple bars tighter than Cuban cigars, like I'm Nas Escobar. Quit spreading will stop hating you, lose them. It's a running, I'm up and got a medulla.
Yeah, that's how it is. One sting, one kill. Madonna La Ponte, where you at, girl?
About to punches, beat up, bunch of killer Chris Brown. Sing this melody, up deep, Drew, I drown it. Get only girl here, but I got more, so I dominate. Find no armor to get on her up, and I terminate. I know, never seen or heard before, so I say unsought. But I must warn you, I'm sharp, show you on guard. About to end your 9 life with only 8 bars. L-N-I-B raw, turn it backward, that means roar.
Yo, it's disaster right now, like Katrina break the levee. Hey yo, my nigga Jeffy.
This beat, I'ma kill it so there ain't gonna be no harmony. Call the Lord and tell him he about to have company. Pass the medicine, it's obvious that I'm ill. Looking geeked up like the nigga on that dollar bill. Gates about to see a little nigga through his window. Coming for the throne, dodging bullets, call me Neo. U-Tech nigga on the instrumental. My last bar was eagerly anticipated, called it for
Magnified heat, caught the fire flames. Brush my shoulders off. You see these sparks, man? And I stay so fly, up like airplanes. Y'all can take a shot, I'm out your range. Yes, it's growing up, ain't nothing much has changed. Cause you fly too, but more like paper planes. I'm on what you call that walk of fame, but I'm more like running. You saying, haters sitting on my name like it's coming trade, but I don't hear so well. What was you saying? They say get him, I get him. When I got him, I'm gone. Hop up in my spaceship, destination Mars. Call up my queen, tell her I'm on. Young king nigga, coming for that throne.
I'm telling you, young kings up in this building. Yeah, U-Tech finale, they're taking over. Crazy kids right now, they're doing it. Can't stop